we are going to be burning a raw egg.
Solar death ray versus a raw egg.
I wonder who will win this one. This time, I'm not quite sure.
Okay, so let's defocus it first.
Woo!
Oh no! It wasn't quite balanced enough. Oh!
Dang!
Okay, let's try it again. We'll use a pan this time so it can't escape.
Yeah. So we're going to try to do it different this time. Defocus. You got a little shell in there.
Yeah, that's all right.
It's fine.
Okay.
Don't make it slip from the egg slipper. Yep. Well, this is awesome.
Oh, yeah.
Do you guys like your fried or over easy? That's my question.
That looks like that's actually cooked pretty good. Here.
So,
How about a little salt?
and pepper in one.
Salt. Here's a little salt
My
and
mom
pepper.
has a secret recipe for salt
Okay.
and pepper mix.
And you got the fork there, Sophie?
Yes,
Do you want to try some too?
sure. If it's not too hot.
That actually looks pretty good. I mean, that's kind of about how I would want an egg cooked.
Awesome.
So
I like over easy.
that's a fried egg. That's pretty good.
Can I have some?
Yeah, you want the white, the yolk, or both?
White.
You face the little camera. Here. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna call that a success. Actually, pretty good. I would not say no to this.
Yeah, it's just a little hot, but otherwise okay.
Yeah, it's pretty much just
Can I have some more?
what you're looking for.
Can I have some more?
Here, come here.
Really good.
Cool. Solar death ray versus egg, definitely a success. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure to share, like, and most importantly, subscribe so you never miss the next video. See you next time.